everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but if you do, you could see that I just bought a brand new Porsche Cayenne 2024 from the saloon of Porsche. That was an amazing experience, but it's a very expensive car and it's paid off, by the way. Yes, thank you. But anyway, it's an extra expensive car and I don't have cameras inside of my car that will record my driving. And guys, I've seen these TikToks, I saw all these shorts and reels or whatever, where people got scammed, like insurance scam, or people got in a crazy accident, or let's say if you are hitting someone at the back or someone hits you when it drives reverse into your front of your car just to scam the insurance. All this exists, and car accidents, it's an everyday thing in our life. There's tons of car accidents every single day. You must be prepared for that. You must to secure yourself, because I feel like I want to record every second of my driving just so I will have proof at the court or to show the police of someone's driving crazy, or if someone tries to steal my car or to hit me or to scam me or scam my insurance. So this is why the most important thing for me, for my new Porsche Cayenne 2024, is to have a dash cam. So this is why today I'm going to review a dash camera in this video of mine, and that is the best dash camera on the market right now. It gives you two angles of view, so it has the rear camera, it has the front camera, and this is how you can record everything in 4K resolution. And it's very important to have the best resolution of the dash cam when we're talking about our cars, especially if you're driving an expensive car. It's extra important because you don't want to pay these people money that are trying to scam you, or if it's someone else's fault of the accident. But how will you prove it? With a dash cam, you can definitely prove it. So this is why it's the most important thing to have. It's a dash cam. So today I am gonna review this A329 dash cam, and this dash cam brings some world first features, such as it supports 4K at 60 frames per second recording. Also, it's the first dash cam to incorporate advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology, as well as the first to offer an external SSD storage, and it's equipped with a quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 chipset. If your car is anywhere over $5,000, I will personally invest into a dash cam, especially that this one, A329, is a truly affordable one. All of the links, by the way, down below to this video of mine. Well guys, let's get started with the detailed review. So this is a VIOFO A329 dash cam. This one is giving this smooth, crystal clear image. So it's a higher frame rate and a smoother video. It works on 4K and on 60 FPS type of recording. So that's the highest possible quality of recording right now in the industry. And this is the industry first, by the way, 4K 60 FPS dash cam. This dash cam is featuring the latest video processing chip, and the A329 is giving this ultra smooth, crisp 4K visuals with enhanced 60 FPS. So it's gonna capture everything in extra clear details, even if you are driving really fast. It also supports the 4K 30 FPS for HDR type of recording, so you choose, it's up to you. You have all the options. If I'm gonna compare this dash cam with other 4K dash cams in the market, the A329 doubles the frame rates. So the A329 is ensuring that it's recording a smooth video footage with what's really essential, and it gives double the information. So the 60 FPS dash cams, they have been only at the last detailed full HD 1080 pixels resolution. So this is a true revolution on the market. This is a true 4K dash cam, which is gonna allow you to see everything in details, and it's so much important for your safety and to avoid any insurance scams. So the A329 offers the best of both of the worlds, 4K resolution and a higher 60 FPS frame rates. It also works with a dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, the IMX678 for the front camera and with the IMX675 for the rear camera. It works on 4K plus 2K resolution, and the HDR is supported on both two channels. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor, it's a leading imaging tech for top performance. So A329 deploys Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, so it packs in more pixels for greater clarity and details, to achieving less noise on the picture. So it's gonna record in an amazing, great way, even if it's really dark outside. So if you are in a low low light driving at night, there is no problem. The camera will still catch every single detail of your driving. Also, the Sony Starvis 2 sensor gives less motion blur in the fast motion. So let's say you're driving at night and you're driving really fast, the camera is still going to be able to capture every single piece of detail for you. As a result, you will get less noise on your picture and less motion blur from the video. This is really important because if something's happening to you, you want to be able to see the plates of the car, right? So you want to know the plates number, the license. So this is why the clarity and the details is so very important for dash cams. In the HDR enhanced vision, it is able to capturing a clear license plates and in an easy way. So the combination between these two technologies, the Sony Starvis 2 technology and the HDR, it is all allows you to catch the license plates even in extremely bright or dark areas. All that to bring the details and capturing the correct license plates, which this is actually the most important thing in every accident or in any whatever happens to you on the road while you're driving. It's to catch the accurate license plates, because if you don't have license plates, basically you're gone. There is a very low chance for your case to be resolved. So even if you are in a fast move from both front and rear recordings, the A329 will still be able to capture every single detail of the license plates or of whatever happened on the road. The A329 dashcam is the first dashcam that is supporting the external SSD recording. It's also the first model to use the Wi-Fi 6 technology. This enables a 1-minute 4K video to be downloaded in less than 10 seconds. This is really good for these situations when you need to act fast to protect your camera because, you know, road rage, there's a lot of stuff going on. So maybe someone will try to attack you, someone will try to rip the camera off you. You really need your camera to act quick. So it's really helping that it can actually act really quick, because sometimes it can be really essential in some situations. So as a result, you are going to get a faster and smoother 4K streaming thanks to the Wi-Fi 6 technology. The Wi-Fi 6 technology is boosting the operation speeds by 3 times in the 5 GHz, and it can bring up to 30 megabytes per second. That's to enhance video previewing and downloading and sharing. A 1-minute 4K video can be downloaded in under 10 seconds, as I said before. Also, this dashcam was upgraded with the USB 3.0 port, so it's ultra-fast video downloads directly to your phone. The dashcam supports seamless connectivity to your smartphone via the USB 3.0 data cable, and that type of a technology is enabling the ultra-fast downloads of photos and videos from your dash cam. Specifically, the download speed is up to 55 megabytes per second on iPhone 15 Pro Max, and that's the iPhone that I'm having, so I'm talking specifically about my iPhone. Of course, that it depends on the phone you're using, but I'm using iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this direct connection also facilitates effortless firmware updates, all that to ensure an easy and fast access to the latest features and the optimal performance of your dash cam. Also, with the HDMI 4K supports, the A329 dashcam enables the transmission of uncompressed, high-quality video to a compatible electronic devices like your car displays or your TV. All that to allow in 4K. So you are able to display the 4K footage on a larger screen with an exceptional clarity and details. That's to ensure a user-friendly experience, and let's say you want to give the materials to the polish station, well, they are definitely going to enjoy the clear picture and the sharp visuals. The A329 also supports up to 4 terabytes of SSD card, so you basically never gonna run out of storage. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments, as well as you can find at the description box down below to this video of mine all the possible information like links to the product where to purchase, coupon codes, discount codes, promotions, sales, and so very on. Be so very sure to catch it up, because you snooze, you lose. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I personally obsessed with this dash cam. It definitely gives me lots of relaxation, of like revealing. I know every second of my driving is captured in the best high quality resolution with the best clarity even during the nighttime. So I'm calm because I'm way less worried about someone is trying to steal my car, someone's trying to attack me, or someone is trying to scam me or my insurance. Dashcam is the most important thing to have in your car, because this world out there, it's crazy. Believe me. Open your TikTok and you'll see it all. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO. Valentine.